DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6 a.m. Sunday at 9:58 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain spreading from north-central Illinois into northeast Illinois, including the Chicago metro area. 3 to 5 inches of rain have already fallen over much of the warned area since late Friday night. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. This will become especially dangerous to motorists tonight. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Barrington, Schaumburg, Yorkville, Mendota, and Sandwich. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.